moving at 35 miles.
And I better turn it.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lost Township, Bellevue, Westview, and Leakey blocks around 7:45 p.m. Pittsburgh, Kansas Township, Taylor Township, and Zitsonia on 7:50 p.m. Mobile, Etna is transferred around 7:55 p.m. Ten Hills, Plum, Camden Township, Wilkinsburg, New Kensington, O'Hara Township, Oakmont, Fox Chapel, Arnold, and Springdale around 8 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Seawickley Hills, Keswick, Bantington Heights, Seawickley Heights, Reserve Township, Glenfield, Woodselton, Kaysville, and Osborne and Curtisville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 p.m.
We might have to go to the basement. We gotta see. I gotta turn it.